This is not a test, I repeat, this is not a test, this is a volcano warning for all of Alaska. All of the volcanoes on Alaska have erupted, I repeat, all of the volcanoes on Alaska have erupted. This event will damage buildings and bunkers. Please evacuate immediately, I repeat, evacuate immediately. Do not breath volcanic ash, I repeat, do not breath volcanic ash. If you breath volcanic ash, you will face death. Please follow the orders of the authorities while evacuating. Grab a battery-powered radio or hand-cranked radio. The Alaska region will face extreme damage. It is unknown and the ash will spread to Canada. This concludes this activations of the EAS system. We will now play our national anthem. Please stand by.
Oh, say, can you see